And the full stack web application, we are using Flask, Python, and NLP. So this is a different kind of project till now. This is a unique project. From PDF, it will generate the questions, and it will automatically generate the test, and it will generate the papers. This is the dashboard of the user end. If I just click on the download button, now this is the file that this model has generated, and you want to generate an custom papers like easy, moderate, and hard. It will generate test, will show like in real-time paper, and submit test. Okay, and leave the scoreboard. It will show the result. Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are building a new complete project. The project title is AI powered examination preparation platform, building using a Flask, Python, and NLP. So before starting this project, if you are new to the channel, please subscribe to our channel, because we have uploaded lots of projects in different programming languages. And if you are a last year students, then this channel might be helpful for your last semesters and in your college projects. So please take a look in all the videos that are uploaded in our channel, and also you can check from our website. So this is our website. You can check the complete detail of today's project from our website. What you need to do, you just need to go to the PrediQ.com, and after that you just need to select a project, the Python project. After that you can see not Python, you just need to select AI project, and it will show you the first project, AI examination preparation web-based application. You need to select this project, and after that it will navigate to you. It will navigate to the page where all the details are available that are required for this project, and what are the things that are inside in this project. You can check all the details from here, and if you're interested in this project, you can check the buttons. You just select this button, and it will navigate you to the store of our store. How you need to run this project, you can also check this, how you can run this project and how it work there. And these are the flow of this project, how these projects are working. And the last question, why PrediQ is great for the final year. This is the combination of multiple technology like Flask and PN. It is solving the real-time problem like exam preparation in a genuine need for the million students, making this project a real-time based project. Demonstrations of AI and ML knowledge using NLTK and TF-IDF is a semantic analytic shows the practice knowledge of NLP. Full stack developments covering the backend and the front end and the database, and also a PDF generation, a complete full stack showcase. You can showcase this entire project to your colleagues and in your interviews also. And the freemium business models, implementing the payment based downloading systems, like we are implementing a payment method also. Currently we are not using in real time payment, but you can add these you can add the PayPal or any other payment gateway that are providing the payment. So this is the premium business models. Admin panel include also having a separate admin dashboard with analytics shows you understanding the multiple role systems across the controls, and scalable architects. The models project structures like SRC database and SRC NLP shows a clean code organization that impress senior developer during a code review. So these are the some main points for these projects that make this project unique, and this why this is best for the final year. Now let's come to our project. This is a PPT that I'm going to show you. Your AI study partner for the board exams. Now I'm explaining the PPT, and after that I will go the entire project, how the project are going to look. I will show the entire project after that. The full stack web application, we are using Flask, Python, and NLP, helping 10th and 12th students for the preparing smarter. And the using technology, like these are the technology we are using in this project. We are also using an OpenAI for summarize the PDF and then convert that into an examination form, like a test form. Now let's talk about the features. In this project we have the 5 features like AI mock test, timely based AI generated test, instant score and explanation after the submission. It will explain after the submission, like if you have submit an exam or the test, and it will just not giving the score, it will also explain the why these are wrong answer, or why you have not correct this answer. And previous year papers browsed by the boards, courses and subject. You can download the previous year paper that are uploaded by the admin in the form of PDF. NLP practice papers and NLTK, and these are the score questions. AI pick easy, medium and hard and build a custom PDF. Like like admin has uploaded the PDF, and according to that PDF the AI generate three type of the papers like easy, medium and hard, and then build a custom PDF. Instant analytics, correct, wrong, skip or breakdowns. It will show the examination, it will show the at the end of a percentage. And the premium models that I already explained you, like 2 times, if you download the 2 times it will be free. After that it will charge you 99 rupees for per downloading, or for if you want to give a next test it will also ask for the payment. So this is a real SaaS monetization system. Now this is the flow. Like first you need to registration or login. First you need to create an user, and after that you can browse previous year papers, and after that you can take the interviews, instant results. And for the first two, like if you want to download the previous year paper or if you want to give the test, first two are the free. After that you need to pay 99 rupees for extra test or download. uh, First two are only for the demo purpose, and also we are not integrating real time payment. We are just using an just demo, not the real time payment. Now what are the AI brains, means how this project is going to work. First admin upload the question paper. After that, and this file extract all the question inside that PDF. Now after that it will categorize the questions or generate the questions from that PDF according to the difficulty level. Like it will score a medium, hard and easy in that section. And at the end it will generate a practice PDF according to this. This is the AI flow or AI brain, you can say that. Admin mock test by the OpenAI, no API key, build in question paper, and it will zero downloading and zero downtime. Means you don't need OpenAI for just creating the papers like easy, moderate or advanced level. If you are using a you need to use OpenAI only when you want to generate and test, not just downloading the PDF. This is done by the uh, Python and NLTK. This is done by this is done by these files, not through the API, Open API. Now if we go with the technology, we are using the Flask, SQLite, Flask login, NLTK, and difficulty score like TF-IDF, report, Python and Open SDK. We are using OpenAI only for creating the only for generating the test at the instant. And these are the some Viva questions. If you want to go with the Viva, you can see these questions. These are the helpful for to explaining the examiner. And at the end, if you are interested in this project, you just need to go to the PrediQ.com. You can just download from here. Now let's come to the project. This is our project. First you need to registration. Like I have already registration, so I can just directly I just directly sign up. So I have entered my credentials, select as login. Okay, I think this credential is not working, so I can registration as a new user. Now I have entered all the details to submit to registration. Now I just need to select registration. Okay, now I have successfully registration as a new user. Now I'm going to login. After that, this is the dashboard of the user end, where you can see that downloading statistics, total download 0, free downloading out of 2, and downloading remains are 2, means only you can only 2 downloads are available. After that you need to pay. AI mock test, previous year paper and generate practice paper. These are the 3 things in this project. Like this is the AI mock test paper. You need to enter the you just can you can give the test from here. You can download previous year paper and just directly, as admin has uploaded, you can just directly download from here. If you want to increase, or if you want to test your level, like like you can generate the papers from here, custom practice paper. If I select here, you need to select the year. Like I'm selecting the 10th and selecting the board. Currently I have just added only the 2 boards, and I need to select the subject. Now it will automatically generate 3 type of the papers: easy, moderate and hard. You can see that download previous year paper, get all the question paper scored by frequently, most asked, first times. and these questions are grouped by using the semantic analytics. Each questions have the years. If I just click on the download button, so I can download it, and this is a free, so I don't need to pay for this. I can see from here. No, this is the downloading file that I can see from here, and now this is the file that this this model has generated. These are the question paper, these are the years, and the number of times that are asked by the questions. So you can see that this combine the questions and the number of times they are asked and the year and the marks. So this is the best use of this project. Now let's see the test. Okay, we are still remaining the two. Just a moment. Let's download PDF file as it is. If I just select this one, so I can download PDF file just as it is. I think I need to select board and CBSE and math and filter, so it will show all the math file. Okay, I think I haven't uploaded these files, so that might be the issues. So I will take a look into this after this video. Okay, I think I haven't uploaded these files, so I will take a look into this. And now let's go to the generation part. You can generate the easy, moderate and hard from this also. Like if I select this file and you want to generate an custom papers like easy, moderate and hard, it will generate the automatic paper. And now let's see the test part. This is the this is also unique part. I just need to select here and the board and the subject, like I'm selecting the math year for 2025, and the number of question is 5 and the time duration is 15 minutes. And just select generate test. You can also download from this and you can generate the paper. Okay, now you can see that it has generated the question paper also. If I select this and I'm just submitting this, like just putting the random questions, and it will show like in real-time paper, and submit test. Okay, and leave the scoreboard. It will show the result, like how many questions you have correctly scored, and the question that are asked are correctly or not correctly, and also explain the flow why these are not correct. These are the wrong question, these are you have skipped, and the time taken by this score. All the things are generated here. You can go to the dashboard. Here you can see your test. I think I haven't added that part. From the dashboard you can see your dashboard. Okay, yeah, you can see your score. I just forgot to mention that you can see your score from here. You just need to view score and it will show your score for that last paper. So this is a different kind of project till now. This is a unique project. Unique means this is completely using AI and using an PDF. From PDF it will generate the questions and it will automatically generate the test and also generate the papers. So this is a different kind of project. So you can showcase this project and it will score you it will give you the 100% marks, and also examiner will very happy for this project. So you can take a look, and if I miss something, so you can also comment in this video. I will take a look on it. So thank you for watching this video. Have a good